Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolving if the parser error 0xc00ce556 when modifying the .NET framework. Let's fix it guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type Windows Futures. Control panel Windows Futures on or off. Open it. Uncheck this two box over here. Click the plus icon and uncheck this. Uncheck this Net Framework 4.8 and Net Framework 3.5. Click OK. Windows completed the requested changes. Repeat the same process. Windows Futures. Open it. Check the box all over here. Check tick every box and click OK. Let Windows Update download and install it for you. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up